in the... No, oh no, they won't pass.
Get them on the bridge!
Yay! Well done! Go around the outside of them and bring them over. No, outside of them.
They're bigger than
Doing
her.
it really well.
Listen to me.
Go down the inside, bring this way.
You go that other side, Fred.
Get gentle now. Stay on the outside.
Look, she's doing the creeping thing and everything. She's doing it really well.
You've got hands out like balls.
You got to go around the side of it, Fred. Side of them.
I do this.
You're herding them into there now. You got to go around the side.